Hello there, Thomas Kralow here. Now in this short video, I'd like to take you through the whole experience of what it's like to become one of my students. So once you've enrolled in one of my learning programs, you'll get yourself either your account is going to be automatically upgraded or you will receive an email with your login credentials. Go to the main page, which is thomaskralow.com, click login, put in your email and put in your password and click login. When you log in, you will see that 0 lessons are completed and all of the chapters, except for the first one, will be locked. So every time you complete a lesson, the next one is going to open up, and therefore, as you complete the chapter, the next one is going to open up as well. So what else is there besides the learning program itself? So obviously some free content right here under free content, which you can take a look and enjoy, just a masterclass by me. Then there is also a button to Kralow Trading Community, and you'll be able to submit your application to join it, and every single student has a lifetime access to Kralow Trading Community. And this is a huge community of a bunch of like-minded traders, as well as my students who are communicating, actively discussing the topics related to the learning material. The next button is going to be your transcript. This is going to be quite an interesting one. Here you'll get yourself, you can check your grades. So here, an average grade of 23, not very good. But under the assignments, you're going to be able to check the grade that you've received for each single one of your assignments. And the same thing goes for tests. And here you'll also find a grade for your final exam right here. And obviously your average GPA. Next one is going to be your assignments. Under your assignments, according to the chapter, you'll be able to find lessons and the status and the grade of any particular assignment. So you can keep track of your work if anything is missed, if you still have to complete something. So if, for example, in chapter 8, you can go and see which of the assignments have been completed and which still you have to complete. And sometimes, especially if you have an assistant, then here you will also find comments from your assistant about any particular homework. Now, next button is Trading Algorithm button, and that one is primarily for Assisted Plus students, where this is going to be a dedicated one-on-one chat room privately with me. The next one will be the final exam. After the completion of the last lesson in chapter 16, the final exam will open up and you will be able to take it, and this exam is really long. So it's a multiple choice. You can obviously use your notes and submit it once all the questions were answered, and you will receive a grade that will be counted towards your GPA, so your average grade, and will be reflected on your diploma. And the last button is the My Assistant button. If you have an assisted package, this is going to be your private chat room with your personal assistant to ask him questions, to submit work, to upload files, and each lesson has a test, and almost each lesson has a homework. So if you want to complete your test after watching a lesson, you simply click on it, and again, a multiple choice quiz that you take by responding to the questions and submitting it, and then the grade will show up right here and you're finished, so you can close it. So this is going to be the window where you will be able to submit your homework in case if there is any material that is required for the completion of any given homework. It's also going to be in the material box of the homework itself, so you'll be able to find it here and download all the material by clicking at this material box, as well as you'll be able to type any messages together with your homework that will show up right here. And if you have an assistant, then your assistant will be able to see your messages, and you will also be able to attach files using this pin right here. By completing all of these 16 chapters in this learning program, you will learn everything from active trading strategies, proper risk and money management, trading psychology, keeping of proper trading statistics, building the right trading algorithm, right down to long-term investment strategies, how to build a portfolio, how to pick the right stocks, how stocks are different from crypto, how to build a crypto portfolio, and even a little bit on venture capital and startup investing as well, and also some cool tips on how you can create a passive income during the process of learning and going through this amazing learning program. So that's pretty much it. That's the short description of an experience what my students go through while attending university grade trading education. Hope to see you at the lessons.